Hi folks, my name's Doug from Dizzy Lizzie's. I'm going to be hopefully doing a few little videos about how I repair machinery. This is just a quick test to see what the setup I've got is recording like. See you soon. Bye. Alright, so I'm recording now. Hopefully you can hear this side and that side when I do it, because I've got apparently 5.1 surround and maybe at the back. And mainly, what do I look like? Yeah, you can see me, you can see the whole of the workshop that I work on, my lovely new toolboxes, yeah, piles of crap, yeah, regular tools, greases, odds and sods, and this is where I do my magic. Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's and this is a sound test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully that sounds alright. Fun.